Imagine a healthcare system where services align perfectly for patient needs. This is the goal of integrated care. But what does this really mean? Integrated care is all about coordination. It connects various health services and care levels. This approach reduces fragmentation, boosts efficiency, and improves patient experiences. In Zambia, integrated care models shine, especially in HIV/AIDS. Vertical programs are now blending with primary healthcare. This integration leads to better retention and support for comorbidities, like mental health and chronic diseases. How does this work? It starts with aligning funding and governance. Clear structures allow for managing multiple service areas smoothly. But challenges exist. Donor-driven programs often operate in silos, hindering integration. Effective integration requires collaboration among donors, the Ministry of Health, and local health offices. Strong coordination at the district level is key. This involves health management teams that integrate facility and community services. By enhancing planning and resource allocation, integrated programs thrive. They maximize contact with health services, leading to improved outcomes for maternal and child health, nutrition, and immunization. Every effort takes us closer to our health integration goals. Think of it as building a bridge from individual care to comprehensive health solutions. Key points to remember: integrated care connects services, enhances efficiency, and prioritizes patients. Coordination among stakeholders is crucial for success. Ready to make a difference? Learn more about integrated care and how you can contribute to better health in Zambia. Subscribe for updates and share this video with others.